Critical appreciation of the poem The Ghagra in Spate by K.N. Daruwala. The poem The Ghagra in Spate is an example of wild aspects of nature, unfolding the terror that strikes the villages at night as they fight with the river's course every year and its color at different times of the day graphically depicted in the poem. The Ghagra in Spate is one of the most representative poems of Daruwala, reminding us of those rivers in India which really wreak havoc during the rainy time. The flood situation forms the crux of the matter, and the poet views it through the lens of the twilight and the dark night. It is no doubt beautiful to see the river in Spate, but they can only feel the pains who really go through the upheavals and turmoil when the water level rises above the danger level, the situation or scene beyond control. As we can find the river, which abruptly turns it into a devastating figure. The Ghagra changes courses, turning over and over in her sleep. In the afternoon, she is grey as mudge, exploring a grey canvas. And suddenly at night, and fear turns phantasmal. In the Ghagra in Spate, which describing the stages of river before, during, and after the flood, by avoiding lengthy descriptions, the poet succeeds in evoking the required response from the readers. Within a few lines, the poet is able to present a beautiful picture of a calm river, flooded river, and the reading river. The lines are: there is a flood on the landscape is so superbly equipoised, rice shoots pricking through a stretches of water and light. Daruwala's poetry is remarkable for its naturalness and spontaneity. As in the Ghagra in Spate, the poet describes a disastrous situation in an impersonal and objective manner, and it succeeds in arousing the sympathy of the readers. It is really a master of many poetic devices, a style and technique, narration and depiction, and innovative imagery while dealing with his Indian English poetry. The poet beautifully sketches the picture of the flood of the Ghagra river. Every year the Ghagra changes its course, turning over and over to float and flow by not naturally but abnormally. The image of the flood is described as in the afternoon. She is a grey smudge, exploring a grey canvas, and the various description at varying time. It is through these lines. In the afternoon, she is a grey smudge, exploring a grey canvas. When dusk reaches her, she is over a stewed coffee. At night, she is a red wheel. When the flood comes in Ghagra, the scene becomes pathetic and miserable for those who suffer in the flood. That is, and dung cakes and even a buffalo floats over the rooftop. The people suffers from hunger and they can neither rave nor curse the god. People go for looking the driftwood turns beachy, sucking with animal. Houses were destroyed in this flood, and the time comes when the land absorbs the water with a conspiracy with the sun. The fish stuck in the mud and strangles them. Thus, the poem The Ghagra in Spate presents vivid pictures of the flood and people who go through this pathetic condition. Daruwala laments on the sufferer of the flood through this beautiful poem and draws the attention and sympathy from the readers too.